Hello student, previous video we completed exercise 4.3 means we completed lesson or chapter 4th. Now in this video we'll see chapter 5. Before that, for first to four lessons do practice and revision and please share and subscribe these videos. Now we'll see arithmetic progression. In maths, many numbers you studied or many patterns are there. There is some fixed pattern are there. Now see here, many patterns regarding the numbers you know that there is some fixed numbers that succeeding terms by adding so on. Any pattern is there, then you are adding by 1 or 2 or some pattern is there and you are adding previous term you are adding, then you are getting the succeeding terms. Now here some examples are given. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dash dash means so on. There is a no end or end term is there. Means here adding 1. Now here second 30, 60, 90, 120 means what? You are adding 30 numbers. Means fixed pattern is there. You are adding and then you are getting the succeeding number. Here minus 3 first, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. So you are adding 1 here. If you are adding 1, minus 3 plus 1, then you are getting minus 2, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 means here you are adding 1. Now here this each numbers are there. Each numbers are called the terms. See, each of the numbers in the list is called term. In this chapter we are learning succeeding terms are obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding terms. Preceding terms means previous terms you are adding and you are getting the succeeding term. We also derive. Try to understand. In this we are learning succeeding terms are obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding. Suppose here this is the minus 3 is there, you are adding 1. So here preceding term is there, then you are getting minus 2. This is the succeeding terms. We are also derive formula for finding their nth terms to the sum of the first n consecutive terms. From this we are deriving formula. In above example, successive terms are obtained by adding of fixed numbers to the preceding terms. Such numbers in that examples is said to form an arithmetic progression means AP. We are calling that AP means arithmetic progression. What is the arithmetic progression? Is a list of numbers in which term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding terms except the first terms. This fixed term is called a common difference of the AP. We are adding fixed numbers, we are adding that numbers is called the common difference. It can be positive, negative or 0. Now here see general form of an AP. In general form of an AP is what? See A, then next is A plus D means it is a common difference. Okay, this is the common difference. So plus A plus 2D means this in A you have to add 2D. A plus 3, 3D means this first term you are adding the next your common difference where A is the first term and D is the common difference. Now here see finite AP and AP. AP means here arithmetic progression consisting of only a finite number. Finite number means there is a end is there or last term is there. Of a term is called a finite AP. AP has a last term. AP has a last term. See here. Here you will see the example. Here example dash dash are there. Here no last term. Dash dash is giving, that means there is a no end. So this we can't, this is not finite. Finite AP you can see the example here. Suppose here 5, 10, 15, 20. This is the last term. 20 is the last term. So it is a finite AP. Now here infinite AP. Infinite AP and AP in which the number of terms is followed by another term is called infinite AP. Infinite C in AP, an AP in which number terms are followed by another term and it is terms are continuously, there is no end here. Now all these three examples from the starting, all three examples are the examples of infinite AP. There is no end. terms are continuous. See here again I have given example 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. Here fixed pattern is there, it's adding by 2, and here dash dash is so on, means there is a no end, no last term. So AP do not have a last term, that is called infinite AP. The next point is there, if A and D for an AP are known, then AP can be listed. So in many examples now we will see in further, A is given, D is given. A means first term, D means common difference, then AP can be find. It depends on that question also, how question is given. The first term of an AP by A, then A1, second term by A2, and then nth term. A1 is the first term, A2 means like this, so on, it's going on. N term means by AN, and the common difference by D. Then D equal to A2 minus A1 means D. D means common difference. How you have to find out? A2. A2 means it is a given that second term. Second term minus your first term, then you will get the D common difference. Like this, A3 minus A2, again you will get that same, equal to dash dash A K plus 1 minus K. Okay, for K equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Now this is the introduction. We completed introduction, means small introduction, so we can study or we can solve now exercise 5.1. In next video we are doing exercise 5.1. So don't miss out this video, and please share